Ya ene Ghana maima ekushia ema de sese omoye edija de kwa bia no abusua aye musumfo kokwa makwa akontajo ena ene minimo ba bedi enkomo afa ye nkrata asem ho ewo abrochimemu na otwetwe mu no ye transe di enkomo efa eye court eye Ghana court ana say Ghana the judicial services and I said judicial service a normal a coso ewo hono a normal bia say you do won come up na keke bi ko mu akohwe ya ware mu nkrata asem yo pacho metemo kapa mu hold on mami kakra ya metemo kapa mu hold on mam kakra yo na yenyina enim say eye metemo kapa Mr. Rakotemenka hello Mr. Rako hey ayedi ho me pamucho mo share lines no wachiro ho mami Nana Rakotemenka eja Rako Otemenka and the lines no yebehwe akeka bomb production yebehwe ne asakeka bomb na yahwede yebeye sanity ahaye asempa 94.7 muso fuko kwa makwa akontejo memreda enemy de bia dwumadi atonidi abrochirin komo ena yede bremu ema ye nyina yefa ye ho adwene ewo dwumadi no so eduru ba bia mamunum sama no ne nkrata sem eye noma bia ha ye nuanom bebre sele mekela na watwetwe mu no yedi nkomo efa eye court decision e baaye ya akra otemenka
hello
akra otemenka ebe yiri no meto ka oso otemenka
obi lines na nye
sao and efa different na infremo different line infremo na I think say we know okay efa different line infremo okay yehwe ichi enyom no kakra Jidini Yakom. Said the Monemono, and Homa, Ediaka Boom, said the Bay of Akudru Amanone, Nayeni, Yanuanme war, a Suja, Esso, Eddie, and Como, Afa, Yasitrim, and Yumasem, and Noma Bibre. That said the Mekayano. Last week, he didn't come more, a court ruling, a buy, a far documenta. Yanuanum, woman on it, Eddie Bebefi, Ama, and Hong Kobasem. Nina ni ye maame akosha sewa marriage certificate court ruling say omunyi ntumu no eti emaye fa ye ho adwene se de behwe na ochene bi no se de esikoye no yese ye besia bibi afrim se de mekaye no court proceedings no e de yesu afrim lessons be ene ye afrim ene bebi a yedu no mpempon so se enye marriage certificate no nko a ya warre semo ankasa kra wo ho no Magana Hakrano said the normal siko and crater beji free had a co a quan person near beekeeping and crater or bit me casse crater way dear Namini say a bit to me adding to me keeping the crater away to her. I never broach for betraying the moment keep among crater pa or more betraying the toss of you. Yes, I share and crater beji free Ghana ha. I am if you say I begin keke a man paddy be braka quantum because in krata na man in krata e wo ho ankwa animu ono so be fia enye yi eti na se oya aboaso so no eti ye kwa homa no so se de make na menu anu akwa aba na na rekon me mo akwa aba
yeah okay fine
yo na men ko ma Mavis Methodist ni ba me mo akwa aba
ya eja
yo na me share me future MP The Hague Beverly AJ Benjamin Beverly it say yes yo and now said the sikana last week in the documentation na ho komo ene eguso ayedi no na yen hwe yatetene mu e wo ho nipa banu miensa mien it say yetiti se awarefo wo ho bedru baby no eho kra yete kra no enkrata so no edi yenya ebinum partner timi film na kronaji ejapade a baako edi ne wo so no na yaje ne apamo baako afrim se udi ni nkrata so se yi na so abibre mu ha Ghana ha de ni enum se ode ne kun ode ne yire enete ode ne ma enete eti mo futu e de maye nyina eti Mary wona mesha se free ho no mo The Hague future MP Ghana fo nyina ne West Africa fo nyina ye hwe enimu se beto aba ma o next year March mu mami ye bo akwa aba biu ne maye ene additional de maye
and well it was yesterday rather. And I think I said the verdict has been turned over in favor of Odo Rami. I think this whole situation, I will still stand by the point that Mami Sewa shouldn't have gone to Ghana to fight a legal battle there.
Right.
Because last week, Yakasi Edu said Daddy Lumba didn't denounce his
citizenship.
2020.
Yeah.
Good nationality.
Oh, jina ye kakra mami. Pacho.
That's the case.
Oh, Sasha see be my as obriki ho kakra. O say one denouncing citizenship 2000 and saying.
Yes. 25.
It should be 24. Should be 24. 2024.
Right. It's you. And
married back in the
and no man be high papa. There's say day ya be kasa. And ye day ya be kasa. Ebia mabili. Oh, patrol driver na.
Pache Devi.
And I could say, Sasha, baby, and it
Okay. What I was trying to state is that I learned that he didn't denounce his German citizenship.
Yeah.
And Tapacha said he is still a German.
Yeah.
Or he was still a German.
Yeah.
Meaning that if you are still a German and you married under German law, no one divorce your wife. That means the wife is still the wife in Germany.
Yeah.
And also, if she goes with the German papers that she's married, she's still married to Daddy Lumba. Even Quran said Daddy Lumba has an insurance policy on his name. The lady living in Germany has every right to claim any insurance money on Daddy Lumba.
Mm-hmm.
And I still stand by the point that, and up to now, she can still do it. She can fight from Germany to Ghana.
Right.
The jurisdiction in Ghana is different from Germany.
Right.
And clearly, Yahoo said, and money are different. And it looks now like a legal battle between the legal wife and the second wife, even though Ghana does not approve polygamy.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a very messy situation. I found it a messy situation that has been created. It could have been prevented. It shouldn't even have been come to this part. Yes, on a woman, but that doesn't state automatically that you are a wife. Okay, Yanfane said Daddy Lumba married her in Ghana as well. So that is fine. He can do that because maybe he has the people who will be able to do it for him.
Mm-hmm.
But Germany, the western part of the world,
right.
It doesn't work here. It will not work. It will not stand because you cannot marry two in the German system.
Right.
And if that happens, I have lots of questions. I don't understand why Mami Sewa was quiet for so long. She could have just fought this battle single-handedly with the German embassy.
Right.
Why is it that after the death that you are fighting, okay, maybe the person didn't want to divorce you. That is also a possibility because everybody said divorce has more.
Right.
And see, maybe that was one of the reasons she didn't proceed or he didn't want to proceed with her. But Ano News, talking about now, today, 13th December 2025, if I was here, I would still go to the German council and fight from that point, telling them, my husband is late. He has been buried on the 13th of December 2025, meaning that anything that I am entitled to, they should give it to me.
Right.
Then use the international jurisdiction to go to Ghana. Don't fight from Ghana, but fight from Germany to Ghana because you are a German citizen. Right. So why do you even go to Ghana to start a legal battle?
Right. Okay. Right. Just share you say. All the advice here about yati. You share more motivation here. Most of the times yeti. So mukra mo hona kasa no back with I think Mr. Reko will bear witness to all this okay. But as a lawyer, son of my TV, a DNA kofaba, Emma a Japadia cram war or crown, it's me ba na bako. A free mono, yasa GF free moon monsem, and those advisement are they may in the war.
I think, sir, Uyoba na waware. Oh, a krum hanum na uma obi eje your entitlement out of your hands then one away because emrane empemete sadiano. One said I'm sorry to use it like this, but lack of knowledge, our people perish. And maybe she was advised to fight from Ghana.
Right.
Obviously, she has family members, friends, and people around her.
Yeah.
But this thing, has become a legal battle whereby you have created parties in this, whereby everybody is having a voice, which it shouldn't be like that.
Mm-hmm.
A very simple situation.
Okay.
Any other person, if you are married in Europe here, now ukunu anaso ore afri nsema, do not fight from Ghana, you fight from here. But the problem is, the secret behind it is, outside the country, you pay taxes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That you have a holiday home.
Mm-hmm.
That you have a holiday home in Ghana. We don't like to do that. The reason I am pesa because I am pesa you pay taxes no. And you say your spouse hard for us to go to the legal ways to claim what is ours outside the European country.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, mistake, no. The fact is outside the country, you know, any taxes, no, it is limited. It's not that in Germany. So, spouse knew our now no Japan, Ghana, Holland, we all know your taxes they are high. But outside the Netherlands, some countries it's as much as 0%. And there are some things be a bit tax situation.
Right.
So be honest and then fight from Germany or any other European country and state the thing that my spouse is dead. Yes, I was Japan, Ghana, and I'm claiming it. And then you use that letter to go to the court in Ghana, because as someone who said, the moment now I denounce my citizenship, we are Germans. Even though I could get double nationality. The question here is, when I could get double nationality, what country or more Germany for say? What could get double nationality? Is there a treaty that you can do that from purposely from the German law or any European law?
Right.
If there is no treaty, so with my double nationality, I have to say passport now illegal.
Right.
It is illegal. So if that is a familiar law, immigration law, tax law, and so I didn't have a brain now. I didn't know I'm Ghana and I'm fighting over. But a very you go to the embassy or to the council in the country that you are living in abroad. Tell them this person is late, and they will ask you, okay, a death certificate, if we Ghana, Nebra. Then you bring the death certificate. You can even do it at the embassy in the country, Ghana. You bring the death certificate. They register it. Abroad, no waje. So Ghana that is also good. Then you use the paper that they have given you from the country that you are resident in to go to the court. After legalizing it in the country that you are resident in, bring it to the court in Ghana. Tell them this is our properties together. So now I want the full ownership transferred to my name. But if you focus upon the Ghanaian law says something differently totally. It says that even Bushnafo has a share in your property. And that will fight against you. Wow, our spouse now, investments then a family member abroad, because the law says that in Ghana that family members like the mother of the person is also entitled to a share of the property. That is the laws in Ghana. I don't know exactly the percentage, but I've read that these are the laws in Ghana. And then you're like 100% say, even unlucky Kurana do Sebi one more better chose I you know Nishi and Jesus say only say we are claiming the whole, then it is a messy thing altogether.
I heard Obarokra Busi assassin or Ubu Akusi so.
It's a messy thing. It's a messy thing.
Don't you know what you know? So no Akusi is wouldn't so bad Emma Media, but I never chin any and miniature or no by Jeffrey. By the way, the person Misado call back to Omo Muti Krum Honakasana. Adia okay in education. Ghana for a while, Bruce fa ABB, they don't want to seek advice from the lawyers. And also, can I say?
That is true. Because they found it too expensive to seek advice before doing anything, to do anything in abroad. Assemble we are, then they will go and find the right lawyers to do it, but then you're late. So prevention is better than cure.
Right.
That is the advice I would give. So we register everything properly, and this is something administrator. Yes, the way you start normal because this legal battle, which is still going on, I don't wish it for anybody.
Right.
Because it's like you have wasted your years in abroad.
Right. Yene Yenuaba Mevli J. Benjamin, or ye legal practitioner or The Hague, or no episode say Gina. As MP over The Hague, and now all my advice no say yen documentation systems no ye code ye, but yeah na basically the right advice no sikasemunti and madam for so to me any day say na no e bia nkwanche no ma bi say na ni na obeti ase o kira semba na afei na ye ko battle na na ye de pimpim say aboa so no akontu sem doso eti me say sir from this time to the next year February the documentation na be ye ho adwuma ya sase gine be ba ho asem ka ti say ka aware for mam yes I hear you say separation. Some of the parents mamene okunu oyire omunti krum ho ye na e wo Ghana yinum say ye papa ne mamene wo abrochire but ye ba ko hwe nkrata mu na me mame anam papa enkrata no or we the ha and no and you can in because you say ya de jada abonte wi e say ka na esu abibi.
Yes, it is true. It may the implications, people. But until a brony, I be say, may I will. And he said, oh, yeah, will. What's wrong? Unoma, Ujapadia, say, Yame Fremia, Japadiano, and this person, and as Enko my way. But because we have a perception, say, Mikoya will, Ebia. At the end of the day, we are all going sooner or later. So why don't you create a will whereby you state the necessary because of in your will? And I said there is this thing as well here in the Netherlands for those who are not married. It's a living together contract. Mm-hmm. You go to the notary. You make sure that you have all your things that is necessary to you. What you say, and then Nipakro Mania say, and then Nipakro Resu Ebenya. Those things, no, we need to do it. And another thing, also sometimes we forget, listen, when a child is above 18 years and or figure out there be Nipakro on the year, it's not my parents, so I want to change my name to the person who is really my father. Again, also that time, and also Papa. You change the name to that parent.
All right.
So this is the parent. And pension paying is no money in it can go there.
Right.
To that child or to that spouse. Right. But those are all administrative things we need to get it right. And no making do not take action before you see a legal advisor. Right. Because every person's situation is different.
Yeah.
I'm giving an overall advice of how and what you can do, what is out there. Yes.
Right.
What is out there to be done and what you can do.
Right. Yeah, remember our last question we answer na afema call na rekone maybe so no. Last question we ne yemu bebre akwantu you know before I am to kwan no ne ya wo Ghana ha sei. Ye kodru ye no enam asetenenti no akwa akohye oba afoforo ma ware no na me ma na wo ha no obo se afemiti me fa me ma no edie ne kofa sa de ne ba bebre ti yasem papa wa abrochire me ma me wa abrochire o me fa me edie ni sinto no ene emofran so e wo ha no parents e wo ha no eni hunu de wo edie nti apart from there why over age obo ho a or under age parents bit ma be fa no and now one of the parents bed by befa edie nti de kofa sa de ba and then you say ya why kru na because your court cry enra de see yi nyina e che say it me my verdict they are sa frese ya ma 1 hour between skase ansa na just say 1 hour na ye free ho bukro mo ti sa you
it can never be done, never. Such jurisdiction can never be spoken out. No, it's not possible. How is a person even able to create or have that amount of money ready for payment? A bank needs at least 3 days to work such a payment out. But I think in Ghana it's the same. So Nipakroni were 2 million Ghana cedis ready to lie in their Ghana. There's a question. I think Yoko will come and find you if you have such things there. So this verdict is something else, but that is the system there. But let me talk about the system I know. The system I know, it doesn't give way for such things, and they would have hold the body until they come to the bottom of it. Yeah, that is what they will do. Yeah. And besides that, it can only be on the 2 circumstances that a court can change a verdict just like that. It's under a special new proof of something that has happened, or when you were going out of the court case, you said something which triggered them. Even then, they cannot just turn over a verdict like that. No.
Because
it's incredible.
It's a different topic altogether. Or the share so that became me mana meja omo Ghana ha no. Na ma ba be shia oba fufu.
Yes.
Na emofra no de bia papa wa abruchi o me family papa obo. E de ne ade pa etimi esi kwan am onto me fa because ene ye ka no kre no. Yeah,
normal bebre.
What may you know pay?
Normal bebre. Unsem. Also, ubenya oba wa hanoma. Either so catch than so oba or Ghana on now, but because of Beshia, na dofo for no. Mean cancer so oba. Some ladies out here, they don't want a man who has yes,
a man
son or daughter.
Just a man in no be this year. Koso.
Bed ready see a bit shoot mika. You know, we are both in it mika.
Right.
But you know, no. That makes it very hard for them to tell the truth. Now, or any krata na and cannot their clan or aka. That is yeah, and I say krata, you know, so yeah, krata. Ebi ani pakrona on any year krata no on play and my own phone banner and 2 paper meso. And no sana ni pakono ewie krata no on ni pakono ni ya din se chire no ubakwa akoka chire immigration for se wo ba wo Ghana immigration for never say how come say after so many years you are now telling us and that immigration process it would take years because of you couldn't convince the person or you couldn't add the person to the forms.
Right.
And I be so honuma I would just put it like that. He thinks or she thinks I have a new life and will forget about the children or the people he or she has left behind. So, and it happens a lot, especially under the man that he leaves the family behind or tells even what happened.
Men it happens to the men. And Bano Kurati with this years. Hey.
Oh, I know that part now. That part I don't doubt. No, but what I was trying to say and is that what really happened with the men? The Nana America season say, a man might be so on Ghana and on my Babets Nahano, and they will never tell the woman who they are living with here that they are married in Ghana. It happens to the woman as well, but let's be frank here, it is 60% the men and just 40% the woman.
Yati. Say the befa moment is an Obeka Yati. Yo, me. Okay, I'm going to say no. And Mavis, let me see him. May. But Mavis. When I campaign managers, I will hold no more.
We do campaign manager one. Yeah, parliaments.
What the ball feel, or the ball feel was saying, Munina, Muntiminka, but be them so the Oka, dear, but to the young Cosso Ekrata Seminole. Oh, sorry, we are penny. In some degree, me buy out the contract so their mommy, yes, our children and their mothers say relationship and our parents' relationship, no, and no, be a brunette in a boss, I don't know. I'm a Ghana for tea, they're mannequin, and then they're mamma and their papa no so kind. One was soon, and Kratasam, let us say.
And Kratasam, a minute, a Juma. And the Krata was somebody, a promo be any say, Obama and every one. Yayani and wow. And some year come once a minute, answer Emma, Eddie and one, minimum moody, Obama, a cheat any panel, or ban on any pana, on an air Krata. Is near with some questions. A muddy and a Duraniaka, a boha, or Mabam and Pesam, the better sources, and a child who was one found to say, okay, Mamma Mumudi. One far around to so a bit me, I say, oh, a friend is saying, Obara and Cassano Obana, some maddy it me will see, but Obadi wouldn't me won't see, say, now winning. What I say about Bama dear, a little probate me, I say, Afena Mamano, Upper Mechra, Babacasa, Crani, and any opportune moja na would a long process dear but a day a bay but that they mean you have every kind a man may be and trop. Let's be frank. A be a Ghana Krawale, a woman, what I say. Now a be or ban or Beshian Hano. A be or ban and then some Yaku intimo, a bobber intimate democrata. Yeah, ama, me kunaya dear, a bobber. What I say. And you know, on all swallow Ghana, on person at so bad. A baby and answer 7 or person who bunipano pacientino.
Right.
Now, well, Katakataso. Now, what the Ajedia or day. Oje. Now, Afedia or Jimia, no, I want na bravo so. Now, and what they have your Kofani, and he says, no, I may be say, and Mamma Nibino. A chant was say, Omoya Krata, a beer, Omoya bat, Krata, and Oya. And our young said, yeah, quite sure I read some kind of yeah. And all the catching if I say, me woma. In the Abia made the mano, a dini who crack. Tana so but any panabacase. But Tama, no, I am cratana dear. Won't be of fat woman yet. Emma, into ocean Kurani age in Abia and Kurano. de esushade a fie no mu da wani mu no na se wo mu age no empa 18 ho de a ende mutimi kɔ eyi se ni se na che se wa woje wo bibia na wote wo ho a na wakofa wo ma aye de ababa meme de obi advice amede e man se o ye krata na ka kire nipa no because bu o se wo de wo ma na e ba me eyi ne be kɔso wote ase ejiro bu ara na ho nso nya nso enti wo di ku krata na so ana later ansa na wa ye de wakofa na ba because nipa na wo no o ye ne krom ha ye hwe edan amutim wo income ene wo bibia enti dan a wutim na bia wa room da o ma me nsa na se o kofa wo ma ba ya ana hard oti ase because krom ha de bibia ye krata asem address no kra wo di nipa address be to so ai hwe nipa atifie ho ne de keka ho enti no eno na ya na ema enkrata asem no de ba me de most no mo di sie ne de ya na me gidi se kwasebu de asem ne da wa na ya kan se ko nya kwasebu de nti na wo ma wo be fa obi a wo be ka se wonya de unima
right hwe ni say yes an hwe we se motifie na o oba no enam sika binti obema no sika nti bo se yenya warefo bio na efie de yenim se mo ya warefo ba ho de afa bibi besi afa na nkrata ba be kyerɛ se mo nya warefo no sa de no yo ba de na advice be na de maye nuanom
sa de we de me every year two nipa for to because cases abaye ni ma ho ebu ho aye bobo obu ho na yere kura na te na krata so no oni obi foforo na eye na nyame ampata oda ye wan sore na wo ba na wo ye ne yere no ye ma betu apam wa frifie ho because if you dan contract kura odi nya dai
eniso
enka ho enti wo no wo fie ho na wo te no what ho illegal what I say na ebi a wukuna na wo yere betimi afrim na wo ntimi kura anko ani iko wo ko ani mu asen wo ko ani mu aseni abema ana aswat na afa amamfo na ayeko ginagina enti saade ne de me no metu kese metu humfo are mpese metu humfo bi na say de lumba asemi ya be wo ye oba ana abema na wa amfa ho amfa ntu humfo na sabe adwene ne mu ede etia because
na adwene ni ho
emansi
ti na adwene ni ho
etia
there be na adwene ni ho
etia
ade
ne ni ho ona akasa adwene ni ho because ensem we aba ebie ensem so a ho say no ama oye nipa ayi mawani na ho trust is there ubetimi trust ukunu trust oyere but paperwork is the best. If you trust me, then we do the paperwork correctly. Because me say well the Qur'an, yeah can well say well me Qur'an say well Qur'an me gini. And one say me no yati asia no. Ni ati ase kofi efia. Say na ye be ye enti krata so no. Ye de ade na eto so say ni. Well no hwan ni nyina no. Ye de ato so ye me nu nyina ye ma ba ko nkoye well na ba ko firi mu a ya be kan well e dey nti da ye nde ya ade a e wo se ba ko ene ko eyi e ko se ba ko na eyi e ko ya well
what can some asa de bia asa be man ko na intro well na oba no de intro
be ma tro well na be ma tro well no oba e of ya me ko ya me se mi ni ho a ye mfa bibia well enso me hu bi da se ya the paper ready bi etale so yesi ye ni so kire nipa na ye den ewu be ma na ekoye wele no wuni ho se be ma na e bi o hye na brabo ase owo ne ma owo ni sei nti no oye no o se oye well o ti ase na wadom wo asne yira e ho de untimi mfo so ne se on ka se ya na ase se e ndi e wo se wo kata woni na wo trust no na ada totorbento ne beto no na ye hu se e sei but so we ni pano ene te ho ena momienu nyina maye dey mabre apeska akoye se ni ya me de obusa me ya meka se wele no ye telo ya ni mu a ye mienu nyina ye dey tell you,
and you are contact or dear.
me a cocker.
I contact you.
I contact him and channel or Tianina. I contact you when in Zeman media. I want lawyer to be when him says some of the American.
No, I don't know.
Because I didn't dear. Well, enough. Yeah, and no one see me and I didn't. Yeah. Ain't you know? Yeah. Ain't you no one see me and you know? Yeah, what I no carriage or yeah, quattro. Menecojo, ya were dying and say, ni say, be a BBC, Namini Ho, and I even separation. Because I live it's me a day, Eba, separation, Kuran, I a day, Eba, ye chemu say, any say, what I say, even cry before our real Krumha, before our real, I don't America for a kind of pre-knock. What in you call your home, or say, Bewali, maybe me slippers in a buy. I do the diamond and son a buy, eventually the same. Oh, what in you call like you know, Taraso, Waka, maybe me a chance about when I buy it, and to me a qua. Madam Adia, or no son, dear. Dear Baba come home, near me and we are dear. And see me in the ABC. Ye chemu say, now I have a panaya day. Arto, not Umi and Umaya, no, Assembia in the annonce. Yammy and Patana for better for worse. Worse and a banana so bequa. And no one say, Yaqua, Yacono Taris no ho. Niaka, assembly saying ye day. Ye cano, and Tija Woodier. Namen so many day, many media. Nayan uncle. Na that's some dear Emra because it says and somewhere in there, Mimi Momudia. Who some make us say, Sano be a day, and yana say, Baya, Yamfa or Dobroni, Yamayo, Cosia say, a type of a simple, Mimi Momudia. I can't tell what the Japan or Sana. I didn't
on train my own country say. Yeah, the verdict number now. We done when you can't just offer 20,000 euros brands.
Look at her. Maybe 20,000 euros in so. But they are container the other day. Aye. In two with some 20 euro cora many day. Minya, naturally say a brown brain and a wa bride day. Ego. What I say. Tisana was here. Yeah.
Bamen call Nana Reco. Deja and Nana Reco. A member is the mother Jamo.
Oh, a young man, quo, a old man, my idea, assembly, a kind of both sides. Am I not a man's winning tick? Man and man in our way and kind of set a man. They said,
Mother Jamo.
A young man,
a day,
young man, said there. Said the Mablin can say, it's an India in Yenati.
Right.
In Indiana, Nipan be in Yenatino.
Right.
A man near my Cocu de Minium, I no. Aka in Meno ya Jim.
Right.
Many one a Jim. Na Ghana for no, a binum.
Right.
Any near be brave. Oh, I can't do na YouTube.
Asempa FM.
But yeah, na omon person on be accept.
Right.
You been be brave. Enim. Na me ka hwe me nua mai me no more than hack.
Yeah.
Me Rotterdam.
Right.
Holland no ya ye wono eso krobia enko ene nemra
Right.
Ye wo general laws ansana aba eye Khamenei kan ye ho ye kan Khamenei which is city council no obia no enso so emra
There's a Ghana Hano. There's a Ghana Hano. Country no on the laws. Now regional laws Saba. Kumasi on the law. Eastern region one there. 17 regions no bia on it there. Friends say 16 regions no bia on it there. Some of them yes 17. One of them 17th in region no.
Exactly. Obia on mra.
Right.
na enema bi wo ho no na ye baaye no nipa ne bebre ni ye baaye no o report ho odu odini eco city councilor. That is where it starts.
Right.
But it seems people don't know. Sameka at the family moment I call city council Rotterdam. For my edema, Sammy Baba register cemetery Rotterdam. It beside my didn't our form or so. Me papa didn't our form or so. You beside me say me one ma, Emma Miss City me man, you know, a din our forms no so. Our Rotterdam.
Right.
Me yere no so me ma na tiatia me ba say me echi no me ma me yere so tiatia say me wo ma me ne ba Ghana ha ma ne be hunu nkwa da no so
right
so eti nkwa ni din no ewo
nana o de ne nya broni nti e na otimi de nkra na kire ye na ye ne de kodaki wo de oba ne be kire kra na tokwa aba
ameno Mr. T me mama me papa me ma ejino also right from day one na ye no ye abrabo ne se ehu we mu ye pa yesi
right
ehu ewe mu ye pa yesi enti ema ena wona enyim bibie no nso no instead so mbe kwa ma ya kire wo mo no won enko
right
mu a motimu dada no a ebia mo nim die bi no enso wo mu no eho enso a problem because if say at time no and an been use the word asala to feel say we asala wono ekọ won a won mo ho no mo na won ye gangaria for no boga for no asala and bogus
omo nkrata
borhasia
yeah
so enti ehu no ehye ye enipa no ebinumu a won hu no say na sa nya manete ni obehye mu aye adwuma na mre na dusa oye nkrata no e problem
right
ono Jane say ekwan obefa so ama ono na di kan nya ne nkrata obenya asetra no ne aka ne de no second matter
right
into no di ka print but then refi
so
nah that is how it started na ya de ba ya ne ayensam ya SCNT akwakofa lumbade akwakofa nsemi minu ya man mi no makabi o makabi pa one say yes lumba ni aba ko sesewa ya ni asewa say the sister mebne ekaye no e wo say o start bibia no every German no a problem na aba beto ho say one metrasi I say because German president no oba emra asem no eba himfie no be otumfo no na the German president was there that day no
no Ghana how they yeah
but what ba himfie I say me am in Kumasi oba himfie
na me said o the enfane say no aba Ghana yeah no aba Ghana
no aba Ghana
right
enti nia ekoso nyina no on said the last and then no German government no omo German e krobia na nkom discriminate papa so obi pa bet ma ji wo passport no nay
yeah
but party B FDP for be buy wo mo no be fight ya say legalize dual nationality nti mo to aba na wo mo enya vote wo mo call parliament na esa na your campaign promise into and as they say the world has changed into wɔn try asɛ wɔn bɛ pass saa mmara no nti last year ɛna wɔn ɛyɛ dɛ pass mmara na ɛyɛ kɔ Mr. Apia no wɔn nyinaa ɛyɛ dɛ ɛstati sɛ wɔn bɔ ho dawuro mu amanfo a wɔn ɛgyegye wɔn passport sɛ wɔn bɛsan agye wɔn Ghanaian passport ɛna Ghanaian passport no nso anaasɛ reinstallation of the Ghanaian double nationality no wɔn sɛ yɛbaayɛ no yɛne Holland ne Germany nyinaa so one second Dutch or the German and a Dutch government and a German government they say sure letter fako koma wukuro mu for woman no say free na ekono wonya Ghana ni bio na ye hon mu ni do track atana what the kokoma e Ghana embassy now woman no ayaden astampo and that was why akwaku emra homecoming 2016 many won here man sign friends for all mo because na mama I go book tenim e ka tell say Holland you pay 400 euros you know 150 euros every now zin now one say ye nyina ye di euros Argentina Germany for 150 na Holland you pay 400 up to now Holland you pay 400 na you pay 150 and it was in 2017
na na fast forward mbra o de famre nimu se say na yembra yenim o de ye fa no de say renunciation ye no yate ase say wakoye German ni ye yenhwe mo akasa se say bosua bibi wo de akoyi mo enne mo document ba ha mo be hu se Ghana kra no ye system ye law system no kra say en favor mo abrochiri eti no me beye dede nyina sa mo mrefri se bo beba mo mai ama wo mo atide ekoso nyina
beba be den yeba ababa be den yeba ukokwa mankwa na ya na obodide wo ye dede say na ya fan kwala na mera ya fine kukusi me beba be den What's your summer na kwada Calvin Okai and the Borofo Okai no?
Yeah.
What di kochi mu a? What di kochi mu pa na?
Yeah.
What's the thing? Na me kwaya na me du bebe na asam na me re ya fi. So, na me re fi asam na ono mu no kan ya.
Obebu so obebu be na wi.
I say.
Nti mo ti ase ati.
Okay, say uka uka nkontompa ha? Oka me kan ma sama ko asam maka matrasi amagire ho adwon asa akodai waka asam na ye bia wo ma omo echi no wo mo fa nkwa adwendwene mu so ni nyina nse kwaku yesu anyansa afrim be me advice me ba nkwada no mo nyina na ani baba Ghana
right
okay obi ti say Memphis Depay I'm from Memphis Depay but Memphis Depay we finish papa fit chima ka ko den oba project oya no keep oba oya footballers is all Corinthians in Brazil oba barefooted and what they onye kwada no bobo na ni je so ya Ghana ni yegu so ya ka san kwada no bobo no mra no amebo Ghana one ba they will fall in love with the girls automatically once footballers so a man use footballers pa na officer akwada bi free home no ba na wa ba be so fa say back to Lumba me call sister asemo kan Lumba oye Dutch ni o oye Dutch
no Dutch
onye Dutch ni
oye Dutch
yeah asat eda wo wuye no obi anum se okuta German nationality na German nationality so last year no ena dual citizenship no omo pass ye Germany. And Tinaka was almost Charles from said, is a nationality benekuta Charles Fuzu. A dear nationality in Ekutano. Now, so Okuta German nationality, I right to say that you form you know. You 3D or Massam Ewa. That you form you know. You 3D or Massam. I was so bad.
I want to factory down kakra because at the end of the day, no, our busia so ha. Asem no kotre busia. Eti wo dey fa ho no ntwero. Me dey pese me hu mu amuti ho no.
Me ni ayi kitu bi na wote ase yi wo. Because sister kan. say no here dev set oje dev set na or the back akọ catch on say you kunu ewu and then it starts Hollander moment I made this akrata no beko say me or the beko say you kunu ewu no afi me me akasa me akọ to adwam esa say Holland we fail letters by 31st December na year 2025 na ya close no by 1st February no and 1st March no ye nyina benya tax forms we benya tax form so fail on the tax form no ye busa wo so usika eda eye krom ho usika eda amanoni properties awo ewo eye amanoni se no kojo fosu wawu se kokoba so the death set do ka or reporting officially so new kunu na ewu good share will be a onya e work bi was start as on na onya na no go through na ya de bi a the tax bro because who kunu na ewu no what tax returns bo ho what tax returns for the cost involved no you declare it the cost involved you declare in Holland means sign Germany city. Eti hono no na actually no. Ya bra forms esa fele we year returns no. Once teti bibia say wo property wo Ghana. Once teti bibia say wo sika wo Ghana. Say no the Ghana government 2012 womo ba Holland eba ba sign memorandum of understanding movable goods, and I have the document, I have the paper. Any movable item biano, we are foreign biano, we are what the Holland one, you have to declare. It's one to go through Sanyama we say no. Neighbor who say, for the past 10 years, you can on feel it. And Maraso watch I said, but so keep documents. For a year of I think 5 or 10 past document near na ampano or property or Ghana since one feeling in now with the digitalization one ba no more ba task kojo fusu ebeyi aba all the properties so enti idea me fa no tonchen me fa tonchen wo busa on efa bibi efa edin edin na ukara pa mbusa na metro George Watson any Ronaldo ni mame Suriname ni papa efri kontansi but mame no na o Suriname ni be ma ono ne na wo Georgino but the essence say kontansi ni no ene oba no enkrata enti akoda Georgino Ronaldo no oba be Georgino Boateng no obo Liverpool nani papa Ghana ni awoye madamfo until so call Liverpool ni second year and o can say ni papa Ghana ni mom papa de Ronaldo utia €750 for the change of name from Boateng to Ronaldo.
Yeah.
So enti baby na obusan say ebia wo ware wo ntumi nka say mema no ntumi nka say ebia ye wo ma ana ma no ntumi nka say ye wo ma no kwanda ba bisi ho kakra because my baba be worry me baba be catch oba ne say me wodi no obenwa obetua sika obeji usika me wo ba obeji usika ka ho am say no the sisters wo manka say me hunu oba me pese me ne ne yanka ta aka say sister no
okay ba ofran ntoma ofran asem ne ho ntoma
okay
yeah
so eno no so no ebi mo a wo ntumi mama me fa won ba na adamu man because edina me dia na me dia wa akwada na me dia ye o school ha no so ebia bibi ntimi ko ye na makosisa me din bibi ntimi masisa me din so na masisa me din no akwada no ebia wa di kwadwo yanki me so wo hol ma me so say me din ebia bio ana mo fun so me hwe ni emem omo we anyemem
right
enti afi ni bobi say unless e dia na ebem eno aye so enti enyeme bo akwaku ya akasa mfiti ase ne twa nkontompo na ma nkontompo no ye den efai ye twa nkontompo ma nkontompo no fai but ye ka se ka ye beka hwe eno na chi ampa maware Ghana amamre mu no mababa be ware efua nti ebusia wo fia ni se me yire ni efia me ne netie but ye nti mum ubisa that question no ye nti emum ana me on also wala ni bia e wo so bia nya na address se mo ya ware fo amumie no address ni bom but mostly no bo se kwakutia amate ha but wo address da obi ade da me na obema na emema na ya na eta kokotena ma ne so ani nti no omo problem ba ne ya na amaba ema no go away right so esan say oberema no wode ne dan no ama han ene watu akotena ne yire no ho ekwan ya no mfa so no msake mema no ase ebi no enti ne dan no wode ama han ene wote oberema oba no but wo nya war 46 sister kan no ohia no na oba na tie last week we said it enti sa ekoko ba say ewu okokobem sese na ewu okobem ti say se ame no ka say oba be free Amsterdam wabaga na no baba be usese ame no ka say yo sister ba ko free Amsterdam dachi ni organe ni akuta DHP wababa be wu organe asese ame no ka say so wababa be usese a obaba be we ankane no so wo di ane ankane password no ko we be frame this time won't me yasa be be sie no ha sie no ha no na yekọ document mu ho na oye ono nkoa na te ho no mu a oniku na ku enya de obi abenya ne bibia se ni kunu e wo ho de a ni kunu na be kose ampa na no so ko city council ho se ni dini wo ho no se one no e na te as ikunu a wo ma register and as wo ma living together na eno ye different matter eno obetima go forward ko de nti a obi wu a eya na me complain say union community leaders no ye fa ye say because o kunu a wane me da but o contractor so nyi kunu no nti e ban sa na just community leaders ye ne ekokoye because obema no so say e bi o kwa animu a e bi ana oba no odika nti bi e ba yin no
let's say the time in into no so be bold if a document a year more officers no say this is my situation and I say nipa no utumi say asem no onim de oka
of course
because the kind nyina no ko wie say so krata asem no sisi animu a untumi nko efa nko kire say na me ye nipa kro me say e me nipa kro because okoya said okay and some ya can hear you ko yi ba na se okra no wadi ntro obetime nya asem
sister waka say echi also commented this no so obehu na sister Mpacha woni Thomas Anderson na otonyom
ono na asem na me de example no
me na me see Thomas Anderson ni yiri no ensimani ba no ono no enya ne yiri enya ni kuno ene Anderson
yes
and so me your friend rekon me mo Rotterdam me na me see Thomas Anderson
I know
and me bibia ebepon ne Anderson e ka me boy 9500 documents no won so e won wo see am no ka say
Sempa FM
me na me see no e wo Rotterdam
na so see ko
and me come e ya samu pepepe
reko
e ya samu ya kan
e na osako Belgium sako see obi foforo
and
yes
this case because the na papa no na mama ni team no mutu no so glory be to God, it was a period of corona. They didn't want anybody staying outside. And I say, but don't do this again, and we will give you a house. And I'm dying.
Sister,
so these things we need to prevent such things.
This was a very big an example and a lesson. And the lesson me name so for as say Woma me pa so me ntwa wa no sa case we say ba me every me yes so then ha no side ne ba ye twe ye so for kwatra say yes o ma radio so na wo mo betu amount for say enkrata so wo ye di wo ye wi a wo mo san fam mom Woman can bomb. Now, woman's warrior to prevent this kind of cases. As I was said, 4 years, and so still, amount for young. Eight times they say my bread, my breasts are teaching. So, my bread teaching. It's happening up to date. Minimum, like 1 year ago. The same case I at home. Sure.
Yeah, fire was
Siena, who buy a middle coil, baby, a Christian John, middle of course, yeah. Anderson order number 547. Emra, yeah, Quackudin, nothing shall no crown. Or Rana Catano, baby, Anderson order. And a long story. Me ba me organa say me ba ba me sibe hu ye so entukwaku aba permanent Anderson adwuma wo ye ye Anderson so from Belgium aye ne no ba ho na eti na Anderson adwuma wo ye bibia everything bibia kan insurance aye ye ma no na wo ma yen say the first person my handle will be every person e wo ho a wawu e ma wo mo esa say me mra ma 5 and something. Onfa even bank pass mra understand bank pass mra no wanfa ma ebe pem ne letter ne da wo de me bagana me on ti kwaku on sa ne ma no advice ne de magana for no say me ka awon programs so say obi a ma ware a obe ma ton ne nkrata oba ton ne nkrata se ya bo mere wa ne nkokura mo mfa nware mom na enyi sa ne ma we nyina
and then me see documentation. Yeah, musika no mo no ma bi nkodi aban ne hobby o. Ye begigi ne nyina aba. And I make ye ma me akosia se wa. Ade a waye no. Se enye no kre pa na won trim ne ya konfa nko. Aban na nim nko kire se sei e fa nko court ne ye. Meaning ye mo bebre kutabia se ko me ko aban ni mo ntimi nko no. Ye nsua bibi film. De wo kan nyina be Belgium Emma Ambassador Den ma me border roka say ye nyina nhia Brazils me see nipa ye kwhia ho na nipa no ye 35 a emu 20 staff from the mission dia ka no omokura betma say me ni bi free Antwerp ne call ye omokọ kire me ho no mo ye na no krona kasa Brazils for Ghana for no oma eku a mo ye meeting was sa ho no eku na mo ye meeting Ebo, tienio, ekuo na omo ye meeting ho no. Na sa Saturday no. Omo meeting. But nam say omo ye meeting ho no Saturday ni ti no. Ena ma ambassador no ye say, ena nipa aka na meka wo mo ho ne yin. Me see single one of the members no currency ho. Ye free ho na ne Uncle Solomon. Me Uncle Solomon de me call party ase. Me see ne ho ayema. It's in the FSC ha. Basic documentation no. You better to us. Ye wadru. Ye ni akofaba. You better ho.
Media answer na me meja ho kwaku.
Yeah.
Ye me ka kira broche for e wo ye nua ba. Ma me se wa. Daddy Lumba o ja no hokọ na e no makwa kwakusie no. Abroche for mo me ina ya fa support. E ma se wa. Se wa enta na chi na onye yie na broche for ni yemra ma me bonensa ye me bonensa pa e san se mi ni enu mi hu ne eno na me bra ho ya nya lumba ye kase pa minim sa o se Hamburg for ka so mo ka mo so be ya we should do it na ye ni want the Central European na no yenko ya mo ma menensa na atamfo so animu
ma me no Cologne mo oni Hamburg or Cologne
sa Hamburg na upa gangari afọ ma
cruise okay you hear that say to some Amsterdam forces that was yo
Amsterdam cruise na omo but then he go for say kwaku ewu na say ewu asisi ho ye no omo kasa ne de omo nkan
o de be ka ho say
na wo tumi enu ni no ewu asisi ho papa
ye be ka ho say
be bo sumi mi ne ewu pa ai be case we bi kakra na mu
e be ka ni na say e say ye ka documentation ti de be ka ni na say ye hwe de asisi etie de ye ho aduru ye de ye ho aduru ye wo skapa wa abrochire ho basa no ma we nyina ma esika ni nyina kodi aban no eka we nyina ka be return money for the family name mo man na moja omo ha ne bi sabi yeko me na ya yintino na na rekom fa see her mama next week emre nintino mema me future MP Mavli na tonsuo gusumaye
Uncle, then I make a finalize Bibia and say, yeah, make sure so we do the right thing. I didn't feel say a bit difficult to start, but just to prevent situations as this, yeah, the right thing. Legal advice or any person or your expert, just don't go to any person because you can mess your case up. But you should be our expertise now bits me up well. A consultation is not much, but the mess that you will leave behind is a lot.
Right.
So let's do the right thing.
Do the right thing. With the 1 minute, also 1 minute. And a court case way. Then I walk out. What the car can crack, but second 1 minute. What's it? Is what? Maybe.
It's a mess. It's a mess.
What's it? What?
It's a mess. I've never seen such before. It's a mess. Yes, I've never seen such before, but it is maybe the system in Ghana, so let's accept it for what it is. But I will still advise Mami Sewa to do the right thing from Germany.
Right.
And if it doesn't work out from that part, then you have done what you could do.
Right.
But I don't believe, say, it is not going to work because Germany, if she's not divorced, it is her husband.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. And Germany crying, about the Hague.
We will come to the international court.
That's it. Right.
Yes.
Campaign manager.
But there's a same of my things, Ghana. There should be a law called the Lumba Law or the Lumba Act. Because as some way, there should be a because Lumba, or I say Lumba media boom, Lumba dia boom, and show Obia Kuma Obiam. No, because this is a idea where Lumba were creative president. True Lumba, they have created president. And to me, Momudi, and who case we say, as it changed the other body and I'm not sure about only into Mamma Cosia, only, but I was said, says Lumba and every year come mad, but maybe there be some of my left and right. I was any pebia, where they. Because a Martin in a bear Martin, no Makoya Japadia for Bearman a chia. Bearman on your day. Now, Bearman later, or find the outsays crime and not say, Abia, Beboa Coma. What's the winning sky? Say, Crown, walk with see a die way, and also so about what cheated Bearman. What cheated Bearman to cheat in it from both sides.
Send a mamma, and a mamma man be breathing now. Train station
and cancer. But cheating, I come from both sides.
True.
What you are saying, you know. So say no, they were saying yes,
I say. But just say, man, dear.
Yes, I was saying in the hole.
And in the hole, dear. When say, Miss Emre, a time or so. Madam, say, Madame, remember,
and it don't want to crack us, and it don't want to crack us, and make the paperwork.
Yamia Duma,
simple.
Yamia Duma,
simple.
Meaning, say, who be the Bruno.
I make I told you some music and a move kangaroo, you know.
That's all I say, we are don't know.
Debbie.
Okay, now, also, who judgment and say,
dear, me, casting a me, say, you say. Sadi nanka judges a court system nanka in Ghana and Kwan for a DD form. But they say they say, Pity, I say, stand near do. A breach for us to say, Nidia. Number says, the Aspera Summit in a Baba Bede. And a map pay or America say, Yeah, shit hole Africa for. Shit hole pa.
Edia summit in Ebaso 19th and 20th. Ebaso Ghana High. You hear me now. Mavis them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Mavis next week. Mr. and Mrs. Joe eba betina dem ha say life. And the Obano Okunu omo ba be fighting member side ni my side. Joe be kana dwene. Mavis be kan. Akonta be chawo nwumre yo. I'm expecting Joe, my own Akunta, Bakope, Akunta Joe, Baby Shialme, next week, be more kwaba in advance. And you say I'm in the Bobby Drasson dream. It's the Dobby Biase. South Sudan Mesa Bompire, my Unia by Mevely, a J. Benjamin. Say more than Hague, more Holland, more Europe, Mutim Samuel. Wouldn't you be or what the Hague or two or Timmy to a back? Eyi kendi fo bia no bomodia ye pa homo chew samre dura obia one vote count one can make her win one vote account yes a happy and being ye papa from Paul Coy less than some percentage bi kitwe bi keke ho a ekodi kan this time momie pia oba no na onko bisre Europe be obi wo bia wo tie abroche komo samre campaign na meguso ameye no fro bia Ghana ni bia West Africa ni bia Africa ni bia award The Hague oto aba bia say number 7 on the match next year to aba number 7 The Hague obehu Mevely AJ Benjamin onkotomano oye Ghana ni mapa onyenche umudina na mbeka se bia a foreign name but a J no ne H be share hontra but dia kan nyina chese motene twi ene nimdie emremu ne na omeboa ye mofra no titru omo education a bit me pass pa but school ni mom the right aye mom na the right school to go e hone here me pa yesre ye be see time with Dr. Phil and Edruso ye be see wa hase me da seda be ma me producers Joel and Yunia Baba Coupe, the coach Ogre, Mammy Gray, and I say, when now Modebe call a year in from him, the BBS, South Suna, Yadi Asidabe Mao Bibia, and then Piebo, and the boy, Yaja Papa Quine, Daddy Lumba Quine, Diacano, a Piebo, Yadamasi, me Piebo ni, Tibisu Frey, and me Pabo in Ruin, and do BBS, time with Dr. Phil. We don't really ask it.
Programming dedicated to health, talk, with a focus on current affairs, sports. The interactive radio health program here belongs to none other than Time with Dr. Phil on Asempa FM. Congratulations. Time with Dr. Phil. Yes, ma'am. At this point, one may ask, who is Dr. Phil? Thank you.
Intentional, never failing. I know that all things are working for my good. Yeah, 'cause she's intentional.